pulled off the highway, engine humming low, dust on the mirror, same face I used to know. Windmills turning slow where the corn once grew. Everything's changed, but it still feels like you. The sky bleeds fire across the grain. I taste the years in the summer rain. In the golden hour, the truth shines clear.
Good.
Every mile I ran just led me here. The light fades soft on the fields I knew. I can't outrun the boy I was with you. Radio static hums an old refrain about love that's lost and road to stay.
Here, Sophie to Sunnydale for how long?
21 days from
20
Sudbury, Ontario.
21 days from Sudbury. Fantastic. And how did the program go? How was Darian? Darian was your trainer, right?
Yes, Darian was excellent.
Communication between the here and there, through email, through phone calls, everything was great, immediate. Checkups anytime we wanted them, send photos back. Like I said, she's incredible. The whole staff here was incredible. They took great care of her. It's unreal how obedient she is now, how she listens to commands. It's just incredible.